Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undenying, undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble acting everlasting.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nats and I hope everyone is happy, healthy and doing okay. You guys, this is the video. This is it. It is happening. Merch is live. Okay, so by the time you are watching this video, you will be able to click the link down in my description to purchase your very own merch. This has been like almost a year in the making, you guys, and I have had the merch made, created, got samples, changed samples, added a few products, and then it was just sitting there and I was just really just scared to press public on the site because I don't know why. It's like it's my first product. I don't know if it's going to go well. I don't have a large subscriber base or follower base online to get, you know, maximum support and all of that stuff. So I was a bit scared and I have been pressing public for so long, like maybe almost 8 months now. But the time is finally come. We decided that we're just going to do the dang thing, because what's for you cannot be on for you. In Jamaica we say what for you can be on for you. So I am launching merch today, yay, and this video is really to show you exactly the products that you can get in this lineup. I will be coming out with merch subsequently as maybe holidays come around and stuff like that, but this one is a branded merch. So as usual, if you have been here, if you have been a Nats fam for the longest, well, from we started this brand, then you would have known that basically in all of my videos I will open up and I will say, hey guys, I hope you're happy, healthy and doing okay. It's always something that I am encouraging you to affirm yourself. It's always something I am talking about on social media. Taking care of yourself, doing this, mental health is important, all of that stuff. So it is basically my affirmation to you in each and every one of my videos, and therefore I said, you know what, why not put it on the shirt? Why not make that saying my brand tagline? And so that is what I put on all of the merch products that we'll be going over today. I'll be showing you all of the products that we have. I think currently, let me check, we have 8 products that you guys can order online. These merch products were made online and they are a variety of stuff. We have shirts, we have hoodies, we have tank tops, we have phone cases, we have water bottles, we have stickers, we have mugs. I think that covers all of it, and obviously I am wearing one of the merch shirts right now. I will be doing like a try-on haul. I am wearing one of the merch shirts right now, and I will be getting up from out of the chair and just showing you exactly how these fit and all of that. So stay tuned in this video, you guys. So let's get started, shall we? The first item obviously that you are able to purchase from my merch is a basic classic t-shirt. I am wearing one right now. They are available in a variety of colors. Once you click the link and head on to the website, you'll see the colors that are available. So let me just get up and show you what it looks like on. Alright you guys, this is what it looks like on. It is very big and it is my size, but I just wanted you to get the style of it before I get into the sizing details. So right now it has, as I said, my tagline, I am happy, healthy and doing okay. This is my way, or this will be your way of of affirming yourself every single day, telling yourself that you're happy, you're healthy, you're doing good, because if you tell yourself you feel good, you will feel good. If you feel good, then you will be doing good, you know what I mean? And then in the back right here, I hope that you can see, I hope it's focusing, I have the Natznificent branded logo right in the back, just because I wanted to put the logo somewhere on the shirt. It's not on everything, I promise, but on the t-shirt it definitely is. And now guys, for the sizing, I realized that on this website the sizes run so big. This is my actual size, so this is a size medium shirt, and I am sure a person that wears large could fit in it. And as a matter of fact, it was way bigger than this when I unboxed it, but when I washed it, I guess it shrank a little because it fits decent-ish. It is not the exact fit that I would want, but it works because I can tuck it in, or I can maybe make a knot somewhere, you know, a little tie. The sleeves are also very long, so I can roll it up and just style it how I feel comfortable when it's a bit oversized. But I did want to warn you guys that the sizes on all of the clothing, they run big. Even my husband's shirt, he bought a small, and the small could fit somebody that's a medium or a large. So my advice to you, if you are my size or smaller than me, I would say go down a size. Unless you're already small, then you don't need to do that. If you wear a size small, then get size small, because there is no extra small in the sizing. But if you're a medium like me, I'd say get a small, and if you're a large, I'd say get a medium. So size down instead of sizing up, because like I said, this is a size medium and this is how big it fits. Alright, so this is the other clothing item that you will be able to get on the side. It is a basic tank top, and as I said, as you can see, it fits very big because the arm is way down here. It is very loose right here, and for a tank top, I would rather it to be more, you know, like this, more snug and fit, but it still does have the I'm happy, healthy, doing okay. This is also a medium, you guys, and it is big. It is so big. And of course, I live in Japan, and yeah, I don't speak the language, so I am not able to like find a dressmaker or somebody to like fix all of this. So I basically just have all of these big clothing wearing. So I encourage you to size down, all the way down, as low as you can, especially if you are my size or lower. So this is the tank top, and it is available in multiple colors. You can choose whatever color you want when you head over to the website. Alright, you guys, so the next item, which also is very big, like I said, all of the clothing pieces, they run large, is the hoodie that will be available. Basic, a classic hoodie. The material is very soft and nice. I really like it. Inside of the material has fleece feeling fabric inside, and then outside feels cottony. But this is what the hoodie will look like, again with the Natznificent branded slogan, and it has a pocket right here. The only thing that I would say I do not like about this hoodie with the pocket is that the pocket goes right through. It goes right through. So even if I have my hands like this, my hands are touching, so I'm not sure how warm I'd be if I'm wearing this and the time is chilly with my hands touching, because you know, when you're cold you kind of want to separate things. But this is what it looks like. The logo is in the back. It has a hood. It is very thick, it is very warm, it is very nice. This is a size large because, as I said, I am a medium and I wanted a large, so I said I was going to go up a size because I wanted the hoodie to be oversized a bit. But you guys, this is way too much material. I didn't want it to be this big. So that is why I am encouraging you to size down instead of going up. So if you want a hoodie and you prefer it oversized, I'd say get your normal size, and then in the shirts and the tank tops, I'd say size down. So this is what the hoodie looks like, and then we're going to jump into the non-clothing items of this merch. Alright, you guys, so that covers the clothing section of the merch launch. As I said, I'm encouraging you to size down, but as far as material goes, as far as fabric goes, I would say they are pretty nice. They're pretty breathable for the tank top and the t-shirt. It's a basic classic t-shirt that the company does the printing on, so it is very breathable for warmer weather. And the hoodie, I think the material will do you good when the time is chilly or when you just need to cozy up and bundle up and all of that stuff. So now we're going to head into all of the non-clothing items of this merch, and the first thing that I want to show you is the Natznificent merch mug. So this is the mug, you guys. Is it focusing? Yep. So it has I'm happy, healthy, doing okay at the front, and then at the back it has the Natznificent logo here. The pros of this mug is that when you actually hold it in your right hand, for my right-handed people, it shows happy, healthy, and doing okay outward. So one of my pet peeves with buying mugs is that they look really cute, right, when you see them, but then when I get to holding them in my hand, some of the time the cuteness and the prettiness of the mug is really facing me and it's not facing out. And if I'm drinking out of my mug, you know, I'd prefer people seeing what's on the mug, because I know what's on it and I know what I'm drinking out of. But I don't know, it makes more sense to have the front of the mug, or the cuteness of the mug, really be at the front. So when you hold it in your hand like this, front part is right here. The next non-clothing item that we have is just some basic stickers. It looks like this. It just says I am happy, healthy, doing okay. That's basically the brand theme of this launch. So if you want to buy stickers, these ones I think are the cheapest items on the site. So if you want a sticker to paste on your computer, on a bag, something somewhere where you are always going and you want to affirm yourself, tell yourself that you're happy, healthy, and doing okay, then the stickers are available for you. The next thing that I have to show you guys is this amazing water bottle, and I think that this is my favorite product from the merch lineup this time around, and this was a last ad thing, because when I was creating the merch, the option to create a water bottle was not available to me, and then when I went back to check on it, it was, and I was like, wow, I need to create a water bottle. So this is the water bottle, you guys. Just a white water bottle with, of course, our affirmations, and at the back it has the Natznificent branded logo. It is a steel bottle, therefore it scratches very easily and it gets dirty. It's only available in white. It's stainless steel and it is matte, so it scratches very easy, because as you can see, I've only had mine for a few days now and it has all sorts of scratches on it and so on. And I think that's happened because it is matte, so it's very smooth and stuff, but it holds half liter of water. So depending on your personal water intake goal or liquid intake goal, this water bottle could be a very good water bottle for you. Inside is insulated, so it does keep your beverages hot or cold, whatever you want, and it is not heavy in weight. And personally, I love this thing to bring with me to work, so that, you know, I am not traveling with this big bulky water bottle that I bought from the store. It is nice and contained in something cute that I can look at and affirm myself and carry on with my day. I love that. So the water bottle is also available today. Last but not least, you guys, is in the category of household products. Now you guys know I am always on this channel cooking, cleaning, tidying up the house, stuff like that. So of course, if there was an option for me to create house decor items, I would absolutely jump that opportunity. And so I created some cushions for you guys so you can decorate your home. I come bearing pillows, you guys. I have to just put them down one by one so I can show you. So I did create 3 sizes of pillow. I have a small, I have a medium, and I have a large, or you might want to call it extra large after you've seen the size, but I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like. So this one is the smallest size that is available. I think this is a 16 by 16 inch pillow, and it has the Natznificent logo nice and big at the back. Very nice. And of course, they're available in many different colors. You do not have to get the colors that you are seeing, but yellow and blue and white and red is really Natznificent's brand colors. So of course I'd have to test out those colors. And the pro about this cushion is that, you guys, this part here is actually a cover. So it is not a pillow, and this is made into the pillow. It's not permanent. So if you want, which of course don't, because if you're buying my merch to support me, I mean, support goes a long way, but I would want to see the exact thing in your house somewhere, so you are affirming yourself, you're looking at it and you're feeling good about yourself. But if it is seasonal and you usually change out your decorations and so on, this is removable, so you can always remove it and put other cushion covers over it. If it gets dirty, if it gets wet, if you have kids, it is easy to just remove, throw in the wash, and put to dry. It is machine washable as well, and the material is a thick material. It's not cheap feeling. I am no expert in fabric, you guys. I can only describe the feeling of the fabric, and majority of the time I do not even do that part well. But the fabric is nice and thick. That is the most I can tell you about the fabric. And this one is the medium size one. So let me give you a little size reference. This is small, this is medium. So just a little bigger. This one is 18 by 18, this one is 16 by 16. So you can see the size. And as I said, the cushion cover is removable and you get a nice cushion underneath it. So I would say it is worth the price. And then the biggest size of the cushions is this one right here. And this is a 20 by 20 inch pillow. I personally love this one because it's just big and nice. There is one other thing that is available that I have no samples of to show you, and that is phone case. There are phone cases listed, just the same casual silicone like phone cases. I don't know why I didn't order one of those. It slipped me, and then I totally did not go back to it and get one. But phone cases are also available, and there are a variety of phone options that you can get a case for. There are cases for like Huawei or iPhone. There are cases for Samsung Galaxy as low as S7, I think. I have a S7 Samsung Galaxy, and there was an option for me to get a case for me, so I am sure about that. And of course the newer versions of the phones these days. I have a Samsung Galaxy S7, so I am like way behind in the phone world right now. I don't even know what the latest phone is, but yeah, there are a variety of options for you to choose from for your phone cases. And I think that is all that this merch launch will have this time around. So let me go through again the products that we have. We have t-shirts, we have tank tops, we have hoodies, we have mugs, we have die cut stickers, we have water bottles, and we have phone cases. So you guys, thank you so much for sticking out with me throughout, well, it's been over a year now since I've been on YouTube, and the support is real, the support is genuine. I am blown away by just how much people actually love the content that I provide on here, and your feedback is always so helpful and so necessary. It makes me happy to know that when I'm sitting down and making these videos, even though I'm really just talking to my camera right now, I am going to many of you. Thank you so much for your support, and I look forward to serving you with more good content and of course more merch when the time comes around. Okay, you guys, and I just wanted to give you a little disclaimer that I am not the person in charge of shipping and handling. A company is actually handling that for me. But if you run into any problems when you are ordering your stuff or paying for your stuff, or you have not got your stuff delivered to you, then of course reach out to me and I will reach out to them in order to help you. Of course, you can reach out to them directly because they are the persons that are really doing all the shipping, all the handling, all the customer service and all of that. When you actually go on the website and you scroll to the bottom, you will see all the things, customer support, all of that stuff, and you can contact them from there with your orders. But as far as me being in and hands-on in the process of ordering and shipping and handling and delivery, I am not the person behind it. I just wanted to let you guys know that little fact. Not every creator that does merch uses this disclaimer because I guess they just have a bigger audience that understands how, you know, merch works and all of that. But I'm not sure if my audience, you know, knows about how things like this operate. So I just wanted to let you know. Of course, again, thank you so much for your support in advance. I really appreciate it, and I will see you very soon in a brand new video. Bye guys. One more thing is that you need to of course tag me when you're ordering and when you have received your goods and when you're in your goods, and of course let me know if you like it or not. Tag me over on Instagram. My handle is right here on your screen, and we will chat very soon.
So back to what I was saying. Could be us.